cow kidney, okay? And we know that kidneys are kind of bean-shaped. Okay, that dent in the bean right there is called the hilus, and that's the area where the ureter, the renal artery, and the renal vein come out. Okay, the kidney is surrounded by a thick membrane called the capsule. If we open her up, this outer layer of tissue right here is called the cortex. And this is where all the capillaries are, right? The kidney filters the blood, so this is where all that blood flow comes in to the kidney, the cortex. All this inner stuff here is called the medulla of the kidney. And in the medulla you see these little triangle shapes here. Those are the renal pyramids. The tips of the pyramids are called the papillae, and that's where the collecting duct ends, so the filtrate drips out. It drips out right at the end of the pyramid into a space called a minor calyx, a little depression. That feeds into a slightly larger space called a major calyx, and that feeds into the big empty space, which is this right here, which is called the renal pelvis. When the renal pelvis is filled with filtrate, it exits the kidney through the ureter. Okay? This tissue here that's separating the pyramids, those are called the renal columns. That's actually cortex dipping down in between the renal pyramids. Okay? You can also look at